Okay, today we'll see about static natting. Okay, I have three boxes: DSL inside, which is connected to the inside interface of ASA; DSL DMZ, which is connected to the DMZ interface of ASA; DSL outside, which is connected to outside interface of ASA. In outside DSL, I have port number 22 listening for SSHD. Okay, so let us try to translate DSL DMZ to DSL outside. Okay, first let us try to SSH directly. Okay, so you can see the IP address over here: 10.0.3.130 and 10.0.4.130. both are on different subnets. So if I were to SSH 10 to 10.0.4.130, which is the outside box, and hit on enter, if I come back here and hit netstat-ant, I can clearly see that 3.130 is trying to establish a connection with me, okay, which is this DMZ box. And if I were to given the password, I am logged in. Okay, if config will show that I am right now in 4.130 box. Okay, let me exit out of that. Okay, I have exited out of this particular box. Let us create a static NAT translation. So for that, the command is, you have to be in global configuration mode as I am right now. Then type in static, okay, followed by a question mark. You need to open parenthesis. Now you need to make sure from where the traffic is coming and where the traffic is going to flow through. So after this parenthesis, put a question mark. So it's asking me from which interface the traffic is going to originate. So my SSH is going from DMZ, okay, on to outside. So I have to type in DMZ initially, then hit a question mark, then it's asking for a comma, question mark, it's going to go to the outside interface. Okay, question mark, put a close bracket, then question mark. So now what I have to do is, I need to give the global address. So if I tell DMZ to outside, in the IP address specification I will give the IP address of the global first, then the IP address of the local. So the global IP address, okay, as it's asking over here, will be 10.0.4. Let us give it as an IP of 220. Okay, since I am accessing SSH, just for our reference. Okay, so whatever traffic which is going from DMZ will be showing to the outside box as 4.220 in this particular scenario. From where the traffic is going to originate, it is from DMZ. What is the IP of the box which is in DMZ? It's 10.0.3.130. hit on question mark. So that is all there. Just hit on enter. So after hitting on enter, what you could do is come back over here. Okay, over here again, get the SSH initiated for the outside box. The same time, rush back over here, hit on netstat-ant. You can very well see that from the same box, previously it was 3.130. now the ASA is intercepting that connection, translating it into 4.220. okay, and over here I can still give the password. Okay, if config, I am on to the outside box. So that is how static translation has to be created. Okay, thanks a lot for viewing this video. Bye bye.